Portfolio managers and analysts use Excel on a daily basis. But gathering all the ESG data before you can start working can sometimes be a tedious task. It can be slow, fragmented, and require switching between different tools. That's why WeeFin is launching its new WeeFin in Excel module. With this module, you can say goodbye to wasting hours juggling different tools, performing tedious data exports and imports, or managing different versions of your data points. Everything is done in the blink of an eye, without any intermediaries. This module is very easy to use. Once installed, it will appear in your Excel interface. You can then log in securely with your WeeFin credentials. The module then allows you to access 3 levels of data from your WeeFin golden source directly in your spreadsheet using Excel formulas: entity, fund, and holding company. You can also import a data point corresponding to a specific date in the history. No need to remember the exact names of indicators or funds. The module helps you identify them quickly by facilitating access to the data catalog and the list of funds. There is no need to perform new imports if the data has been updated in your golden source. Simply refreshing your spreadsheet will do the trick. The WeeFin in Excel module has been specially designed for portfolio managers and analysts who no longer want to waste time accessing their data while remaining autonomous in Excel. It saves them up to 87% of their time, which they can now devote to much more value-creating tasks. To find out more about WeeFin in Excel, contact your customer success manager.